Word Bump is one of my favorite games to play with students, and there are directions on the back side of the game so you can figure out how to play. But I'm going to try and talk you through it just really quick so you can kind of get an idea. In order for this to work, you and the student have to play against each other. One of you has to use one color whiteboard marker and another has to use a different colored whiteboard marker. So at the end, you can see who won by counting up the different colors. Whoever has the most wins. If it's taking a while, I usually say it's ended by having every box filled up, but if it takes too long, I just set a timer and say we're going to play for a minute more. And once the timer goes off, we stop and count and see who has the most words in their colored whiteboard marker. So if I was playing against a student and I rolled a number 1, I would write the first word card from their stack of word cards. I would just pull over 6 word cards. They only need 6. I'd actually show it to the student and they can watch it while they spell. They're not going to get a tally mark on the back if they're looking at the card. If they do not look at the card and spell the word correctly, I would give them only 1 tally mark for each word during the game. So if I rolled a 1 and the first word was cat, the first flashcard pulled over was cat, I'd write cat there in my black whiteboard marker. If the student then right after me rolled a 1, they would have to go in the blank space and put the word cat in that blank. If I roll a 1 again, I have to bump them off and I would take my eraser, I'd erase the student's color, whether it's blue or green. I'd erase it and then write cat again in black. Now, number 1 has 2 black words. They're both the same word, and I am now winning for that number. If they were both black and both my color, and I happen to roll a 1 again, it's like I skipped my turn. I don't have anything I can do. If they roll a 1 after that, they can bump either one of mine off and write the word in their color. If there's ever a blank space, the student has to go there, and if both are taken, it just depends on what colors are out there as to which one they bump off. It's really fun. I hope you and your students enjoy this.